Hello there YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing the Google Home Mini. Now a friend gave this to me. Now let's tour around the edges. And the color is aqua/turquoise. Let's begin unboxing the Google Home Mini. Alright, the plastic is wrapped off, and let's open it. And there's the Home Mini itself. And what else do we have in this box? Let's get started, the thing says. Alright, it looks like we have possibly a USB-C charger. Nope. It's a micro USB. Put that over there. Anything else in this box? Alright. Looks like that is it. Here's what we got in the box. Alright. This is it. That is the unboxing of the Google Home Mini in the aqua/turquoise color. Thanks for watching.